Hello, good morning, each and every one of you. All the best for your examination, people. So the final lap, I want to discuss few things which will help you out during the time of examination. It will definitely going to help you out over there. Now, few things you should keep it in your mind. There is no reading time. Okay, there is no reading time. When you get the question paper itself, you should start writing. Okay, you should always show the urgency. Without showing urgency, it will be difficult to solve more than 70 questions inside the exam hall. That is the second thing I want to tell you. Then make sure that you have the pencils. Don't forget the pencil. Maybe because in the previous exams and all you might have forgot pencils. Never forget pencil. You need to mark the OMR sheet with pencil, and you can use it. I mean, in the sense, you can write even in the certain parts, or even in an option you can have a small writing part over there which will actually help you out. You can erase it off also later down that stage. Then people, along with pencil, eraser should be there. Then one important thing I want to tell you guys is, never feel like, sir, I will only start with max, I will only start with LR, I will only start with statistics. There is nothing like that. The questions will be mixed. Some people will be lucky, you will be getting one question number, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, etc, etc, you will be getting. But most of the people will not get that. You will have a mix and match of chapters. So that will be there. The questions are mixed and match. So never expect to see the max question in the beginning itself. That is not going to happen. Sometimes it will be stats, sometimes it will be LR. So keep that in your mind. So I have known a student who had faced an issue. She never studied statistics. So when she took the question paper itself, the questions were starting with stats. She got panic. So don't panic. Keep it in your mind. Then people always remember 60 easy questions will be there no matter what. 40 or medium or difficult questions will be there. Okay, keep it in your mind. 60 easy questions is there. If you find first 4 questions are very difficult, don't feel that the entire question paper is difficult. The easy questions will be there. Keep that in your mind. Good morning. Sir, how to attend first logical reasoning or statistics? Surya, as I address, you can take that in your mind. Then next one, people. Few topics. I hope that everyone know future value. Yes, how to know whether it's future value of annuity regular or annuity due. Annuity regular means end of the year. End of year, or it will not be mentioned. Beginning or end will not be mentioned. Annuity due or immediate means what, people? Immediate means beginning, or what? Or from now, from today, everything will come under what? Annuity due. Keep that in your mind. It will be very useful. Then how to understand the question is based on annuity, not compound interest. Annuity means what, people? Annuity means regular investment is there. Regularly, monthly, yearly, every time a person is investing. Okay, regular investment. While in questions based on compound interest, what will happen? Initially, he will deposit the money. Okay, then he will leave it and he go. That is the meaning. Keep that in your mind. Compound interest based question means it will be there and he will leave. Initially, he will deposit the principal, then finally he will collect the amount. While in annuity, he will regularly invest. Sir, maximum time taken for questions. Yes, I'll talk about that. So people, if you are spending more than 2 minutes in it, you are stuck. The word is stuck. You will feel like, oh, sir, I don't know what to do after 2 minutes. If you are stuck for a question more than 2 minutes, leave the question and go for the next question. You are not going to get the answer. It will be in such a situation. But if you are not stuck, you can go ahead with that. Then try to solve all the theory question and all. Don't even spend more than 10 seconds. That's where you save the time. Keep that in your mind. Then people, can I skip annuity? It's completely your choice now. Right now, your exam is almost in 2 hours, right? So should we start with LR first? It depends on your choice. Completely up to you. Okay, completely up to you. Then next one. When you read a question, always read the last line. Always read last line first. So you will, most of the question, like 80 to 90% of the question will be in the last line. They will ask what to find. this which direction a person is looking, type 1 of question. With respect to the final point, initial point, what direction, likewise question, you will understand what type of question. Always read the last line, it will help you out. Yes, calculus, as I told yesterday, I show you the expected questions, right? Just study the expected question, you will get the answer. Pakka you will get. Okay, so I am not perfect 100%. That's completely fine. No one is 100% perfect. That is completely fine. If you are well and good with more than 70 to 75%, you will pass. If you are conceptually good with more than 70 to 75%, you will pass the exam with good marks. I'm guaranteeing you that. Then we're going to solve some questions. Few questions I'll discuss over here. Sir, permutation, combination, quick recap. Yesterday we have done that. You can go through that video. You can just have a look over that. Today I want to discuss few questions which will be there. Now, first one I want to discuss is ogive. Okay. So, ogives are drawn using what? In the x-axis, it will be class boundary. Make a note of it because a question will be based on this today. Boundary. Then in the y-axis, it will be cumulative frequency. Okay, it is drawn by using what? More than cumulative curve and less than cumulative curve. They will meet at a point and the corresponding x value is what? They will meet at a point and the corresponding x value is called as what? Median or Q2 or D5 or percentile 50. Keep it in your mind, very important. So more than and less than cumulative frequency curves are drawn for using what? For getting ogives. Then second one, histogram. Histogram is used to find what measure of central tendency? Mode. Keep it in your mind. So mean cannot be found graphically while median and mode can be found graphically. Keep that also in your mind. Next one, people. What is the connection between SD, MD and QD? If 2SD is equal to what? 2.5 MD is equal to what? How many QTs are there? There is no pink color. Yes, no pink color. So we will collect one. 3 QD. Keep it in your mind. When are we going to use it? If SD is given and they are asking for MD, we can use this formula. If MD is given, they are asking for QD, we can use this formula. All those time we can use this formula. It is important. Then another spoiler for you. Another question will be there. Connecting mean, median and mode. What is the shortcut? MIMO is equal to how many MIMI? 3 MIMI. Mean minus mode is equal to 3 into mean minus median. One question will be there based on this formula. Make use of it, people. It will be there. Then how can we connect AM, GM and HM? People, how to remember? G is equal to root of A into H, AM into harmonic mean. GM is nothing but root of arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. Then, which is having the highest value for positive and unequal quantity? Which is having the highest value? That is nothing but A is greater than, that is AM is greater than, geometric mean is greater than harmonic mean. Keep it in your mind. This is also important. How to remember this? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then only H is coming. So which is the highest one? AM is the highest one. Yes, you can ask. Please ask. Please ask. Next one. So could you please explain that, Harini? Right now, I don't think so. That's the right time to explain. Okay. Yes. Next one. Can we do that? Next topic. Effect of origin. I want to brief everything over here. Effect of origin. Effect of origin. Effect of scale. Okay, you can get a question based on this. Effect of origin and what? Effect of scale. Effect of origin means what? Each observation is added or subtracted. Effect of scale means into or divided. Plus or minus means what? The change of scale. Sorry, change of origin. Into or division means what? Change of scale. Now people, change of origin means which all things are affected by change of origin? Measures of central tendency. Which are measures of central tendency? Mean is affected, median is affected, then mode is affected. Does anything else change with measure? I mean change of origin? No one else change. Only mean, median and mode changes with change of origin. Now coming to change of scale. Measures of central tendency, that is mean, median and mode. All of them change with change of scale. Then measures of dispersion, that is standard deviation, range, quartile deviation. Then what else is remaining? The mean deviation, right? All of them are changed by effect of scale. Then what else? Regression coefficient. Regression coefficient changes with change of scale. Then one more thing is there, the correlation coefficient change in sign. For example, if I'm multiplying with a negative number, then the sign will change, people, of correlation coefficient. All these things are affected by change of scale. Yes. Done. Sir, theory marathon PDF enough for? Yes, Bhargavi, more than enough. You will get good marks from that itself. Yes. Anything else? Yes. Can we expect 14 questions? You can expect 15 to 20 questions just from theory. Keep it in your mind. Next one, people. A graph is going like this, okay? That means at the end points, it is having its minimum, and the midpoint, it is having its maximum. What type of graph is that, people? It is called as bell-shaped graph. Okay. Then a graph is starting low and it is going to the right and it is increasing up. What type of graph is that, people? It is J-shaped graph. Very important. These are important theory questions. Then, people, I want to ask you a few questions. So there is a variable given, a equation is given, 2x. Randomly I am giving you the equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 10. This is the equation. Okay, 2x plus 3y is equal to, I'll put 12. Let it be 12. Then, people, they are telling median of x is equal to 4. Then find, or I will keep a different value, median of x is equal to, let it be 4 itself. Then find median of y. The question can be mean also. The question can be mode also. Keep it in your mind. Either median of x or mode of x or mean of x will be given. Then we need to find either mean of x or mode of x or median of y or mode of y we need to find. How to do that? You can just put this x value over here. 2 into 4 plus 3 into y is equal to 12. From that, 8 plus 3y is equal to 12. 3y is equal to how much then, people? 12 minus 8 is 4. Y is equal to how much? 4 by 3. So this is the median of y. Are you getting my point? Or mean of y or mode of y according to the question. This is the approach. Then coming to the next one, people. What if the same equation I am going to use? 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. What if the question is based on measure of dispersion? They are telling mean deviation of x is equal to 5. Then find mean deviation of y. The shortcut is what? You will ignore this 12. Why we are ignoring that constant value? Because it is not affected by change of origin. So you will directly take 2x is equal to what? 3y. Then put x is equal to how much? 5. 2 into 5 is equal to 3 into y. That is 10 by 3 is equal to y. So mean deviation of y is equal to how much? 10 by 3. This is the approach which you can use and it will help you out. Then next one, in this exam, can we do rough work in the question paper itself? Always use pencil and do it. If someone is asking you to erase it off, erase it off. Then towards the end, you will have extra pages you can use over there. So theory, then a statistical description of data. Yeah, Nandakumar, you can expect it from index number and you can also expect it from correlation and regression. Then you try to attain maximum in the first hour itself. Try to have that urgency in the first hour itself. Try to get that, 25 to 30 marks minimum in the first hour itself. It's very important. Okay. How to answer in OMR sheet? You can just bubble it. Just bubbling is only there. Just use pencil and bubble it. That's all. Yes. Then one more thing, people, yesterday I told you. So there are few approaches which you can do to save time in the time or during the time of examination. I'll tell you how it is done. So for example, you are having a question paper. So 18 or 19 pages or 21 pages will be there for question paper. Each page will be having 1, 2, 3 or 4 questions will be there in each page. So what you can do is always solve all the 4 questions. After solving all the 4 questions, take the OMR sheet and bubble all the answers accordingly. Why? Because if you do like, first I will solve the first question, then I found the answer, then I will take the OMR sheet and I will go mark, then I will put the OMR sheet back, then I will take the question paper again, do this question, then I will take again the OMR sheet back and I will again mark the option. It will lose time. So do all the 4 questions together, then just put a dot near the correct answer, then take the OMR sheet after finishing the 4 questions. Some people do in a different manner. They will take first page and second page. After finishing first 2 phases of the page only, they will take the OMR sheet and mark the answer. That way you will save the time. Yes. Next one, the neatness and all, it will not be much of an issue. The instructor will be giving you proper instruction. Don't worry about that. Inside the classroom, they will give you proper instruction regarding how to bubble and all. So don't even worry about such things right now. Okay. Yes. Then you will, I think your OMR sheet you will get little prior before that. Yes. Yes, variance have to convert to SD. Yes, in variance related question with respect to this, you need to convert that into SD and you should solve it. Yes, we have gone for that. Here's place a theory PDF sufficient. Yes, Kiran, you can get the marks out of it. You will be wondering after seeing the question paper itself. Then yesterday one student asked how much marks we can expect from the expected question. That's why it is called as expected question itself. After the question, after the exam paper itself, I'll tell you how much came also. Even it will be like a proper analysis, right? Yes, people. So these are the few things I want to tell you. Then coming to correlation with respect to scatter diagram, people keep this in your mind. If the graph is from lower left to upper right, it is what? Positive correlation. Then if the graph is a straight line from lower left to upper right, it is called as what? Perfect positive. If the graph is from upper left to lower right, it is called as what? Negative correlation. If the graph is a straight line from upper left to lower right, it is called as perfect negative. Then one more thing I want to add you people, if the graph is like this, evenly distributed or uniformly distributed, then it is called as what people? Zero correlation, or another word is also there people, symmetrically distributed. If symmetry is coming into the discussion, it is called as zero correlation. Okay people, yes. So these are few things I want to tell you. Then coming to the index number part, Lappe. Lappe's index means L. What is taken as weight in Lappe index number? Can anyone tell me what is the weight in Lappe's index number? Base year quantity. Then in Pache, what is the weight taken? That is current year quantity. Then who is known as the ideal index number? Fisher is what? Geometric mean of Lappe and Pache. Keep that also in your mind. Then Boule is what? The arithmetic mean of Lappe and Pache. Then Marshall's Edgeworth index number. What is the formula? Sigma P into Q0 plus Q1 divided by, this is P1 into divided by sigma P0 into Q0 plus Q1. Here we are taking the average of base year and current year quantity. This is also very, very important people. Then Fisher does not satisfy which test? So I just circled it, right? Fisher does not satisfy circular test. Okay, change of basis in which test mainly? That is in circular test. How many tests of adequacies are there? 4 tests of adequacies are there people. So all these things, keep it in your mind people, use it, and it will be there for examination also. It will help you out, and just go through the final. In the next 1 hour, just go through the each and every few formulas from maths part and logical reasoning part. Just check the type of questions and all. From stats part, just go through the final theory marathon PDF and all. It will help you out to crack the exam people. Do well. To put your efforts, have the urgency inside the exam hall. It will be fruitful. Try to attend maximum number of questions. Try to go for 80 plus question. It will make you pass people. Try avoiding negative marking. Avoid negative marking. That is another key point people. Yes. Okay then. Thank you so much. Each and every one of you. Do well. Yes. So when to add will come whenever or is into the picture. Then multiplication will come whenever and is in the picture. Okay. Thank you so much, Ishida. Then thank you. Then Sindhu, thank you everyone. Saras, everyone, thank you. Done, Tanushree, everyone. Thank you so much, Lahari. Thank you. Do well, people. And I'm very happy to teach each and every one of you. Bye-bye. See you. Bye-bye. after the exam, I'll just do a quick revision. I'll not do paper review today. After the exams, the economics exam is done, we will have the paper review. Bye bye, people. Take care. Love you guys. Bye bye.